Hey guys, quick video today to show you how to adjust the stops on a soft close mechanism inside these sliding door track units. Now, whether it's a face mounted sliding track unit, or it's inside a cavity slider or a telescopic slider, or any of the products from the guys at Premium Sliders, they all work on the same principle. Okay, now as far as this door adjustment goes, you see this slides through and it's actually running past where the door finishes there. That's because I've got the stop loose at the moment. So what I need to do is bring this stop back out so that it has some adjustment in it. Temporarily tighten it up here. And now with that soft close hitting it, we'll see where this door stops. No, still a little bit too far back. So you see there just two screws that go up here on this stopper. Again, just loosen those off slightly. You don't take them all the way out. Once they're loose, you can slide that across a little bit with your drill. Just snip those up again, and then we can test out the door. This is where the soft close hits against and causes the door to give it that slow action stop once it comes over. Now I've done the opposite. I've taken it too far this way, so it's stopping short. So I'll just make some finer tweaks till I get that to line up with the edge of the architrave and the pelmet. Getting close, 5 mil. Perfect. Now the other question the guys get a lot is how to remove or to install a soft close mechanism. Now on this wall mounted system, it's quite easy. I could actually just take this end cap off and just roll the door right out. But in other situations where you may have a cavity slider and it's built into the wall, and this aluminium extrusion has a hard end on it and a hard finish. So basically the door goes in between the two surfaces. What you'll find is at the bottom on all their tracks, there's a little extrusion that's cut in. You can peel that down, bring the soft close across, and it will actually, the wheels will fit down through that opening and the soft close will come down, and so will any other rollers. Now I'll show you how that works at a close-up in more detail with the track laid down, but for all the premium sliding systems, all their tracks and all their extrusions are exactly the same. So it's the same concept for every single system. Okay, now before taking any of the parts out, you'll see on the end of the track, there's a little bit of the extrusion that's cut out here. All you need to do is tap that out, and that will leave a space for the roller and soft close and all your components to slide out this end if need be. And that's handy if the door's already installed. You can actually just take that out and take all those components out while it's up there. Okay, so now you see inside the track, this is one of our little stoppers that the soft close comes up and hits and causes that slow activation. Now this can be adjusted up or down inside the track simply by loosening these two screws. You don't have to take them all the way out because they're just pressure screws. Just loosen those slightly, and you can see there that now allows me to slide that up or back or take it out completely altogether. And so now that that extrusion's out at the end, that will allow for the size of the roller when it gets to the end here to actually fit out there. And then you'll see what comes up with it is that soft close mechanism. Soft close mechanism is the width of the track, but then you slide it through so that the last couple of rollers then come out as well too. So the actual unit itself is just that little bar there. And to get it back on, it's the same thing. Follow the process, back wheels in first, slide it through, and then you're all good. Now, it's a matter of putting that stop back in. All right, so that's how you adjust a soft close and a soft open system inside the track. That's also how you get a soft close mechanism inside the track or outside the track, especially if it's boxed into a cavity sliding frame. That's where it'll get a little bit more tricky and you'll have to just get it outside that extrusion and down. This is adapted across all the premium sliding products, whether it's a single cavity or a telescopic slider, depending on what the system is and how it's set up, it should really be adapted right across all of their product. Now, if you need any more tips, videos or downloads, just check out the website and there should be more specific details for the product that you're installing. Thanks guys.